Today in history. 11th of April 2012. Sudden and stormy. Sumatra, Indonesia. Dear Diary, today was a really scary day. It's 11th of April and something big happened. There were two powerful earthquakes that shook the Warden Basin near Sumatra, Indonesia. It's being called a strike-slip doublet earthquake. Some people say that these earthquakes were so strong that they reached a level 7 on the Mercalli intensity scale. That means the shaking was really, really strong. It's amazing to imagine how much power the Earth has. I heard that this happened because the Earth's plates, which are like big puzzle pieces, moved suddenly past each other, causing a lot of shaking. You see, Sumatra isn't a place where the Earth's plates meet, so it's common to have earthquakes there. This caused really big waves in the ocean called a tsunami, but fortunately, it wasn't too destructive for us here in Nias. I was so scared because my family and I felt the ground shaking. Things fell off the shelves, and there were loud noises. Our house even had some small cracks. I saw people running and screaming. Everyone was really scared. There were 10 people who sadly lost their lives and others got injured. It makes me very sad to think about it. I remember my friend Ronnie telling me about how she saw the tsunami waves coming towards the island. It was a big wave, but luckily it didn't cause much damage. We were all so worried about what could happen, but we are relieved that it wasn't worse. I believe this event will hold great significance because it reminds us of the immense power and unpredictability of the Earth. I hope that scientists can learn more about earthquakes and tsunamis from this experience so that they can help ensure our safety in the future. I also hope that people will become better prepared and knowledgeable about what to do in similar situations. I still feel fearful and shaken by what happened today. It was a day that will forever remain etched in my memory. I pray for a safer and calmer tomorrow for all of us.